Hello Google Messages user, if your message disappeared from Google Messages app, let's see how to fix it. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down, find out apps. Go to app section. Now click on choose default app. Now tap on SMS app. From here, make sure Google Messages as your default SMS app. Now go back to your home screen. Now tap and hold on your Google Messages app. Click on I button. Now scroll down. Click on Google Messages Storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from Google Messages app. Now go back to your home screen. Now open Google Play Store or App Store. Now search Google Messages app. Go to Google Messages. From here, update your Google Messages app. Hopefully, your Google Messages disappear problem will be successfully solved.